Hi guys, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my fall garden. This raised bed is also my unheated hoop house, but since it has been really warm, I removed my greenhouse cover. I want to show you what's growing in here. In this raised bed, I planted a bunch of lettuce. There are probably at least 3 or 4 different varieties of lettuce that I planted in here. Get this, guys. Isn't it amazing? And then this. And then we have some broccoli. That's the broccoli. Now this is the Swiss chard. And then here there is another Swiss chard. This is the purple of Sicily cauliflower. Another broccoli. And then there should be kale somewhere. I think this one is kale, but we experienced some setbacks because there were times when the chickens were able to escape. So whenever the chickens get out of the coop, they come straight to this bed and eat the greens. Now this one is the kale that has just recovered from those chickens. Over here we have the snow peas. Look at these beautiful flowers, guys. And some of them have started producing too. Let's go this way. I know this area is too messy for now. So I realized that the corn stalk staking does not last for a long time. And some of them just broke or fell over. So what I did was I added some sunflower stems. However, a couple of days ago it was too windy. We had wind gusts of around 45 miles per hour and it just destroyed my staking. So this is something that I need to fix. Hopefully before it gets too cold to work on this. Look at these beautiful snow peas. Look at that. Nice flowers. More snow peas in this area. The carrots are doing great. Look at that. Except for the weeds around it, I think the carrots will do just fine. I just need to clean around the carrots as well. We have 4 different kinds of carrots planted in this area. I still have the lemongrass in here. I had to cut this down to the ground and covered it whenever we had freezing temperatures, but it has grown back. So I'll probably have to trim this back and cover this again. And then here we have some more carrots. Now these carrots were planted last spring. I did not harvest some of them because I wanted to collect seeds, and I have collected 1 bucket of seeds from all of these plants in this raised bed. And I can see on the other side that there are some flowers that are already dry. I'll be collecting this for seeds. And then you see these white flowers. These are the fresh flowers of the carrot plants. So we still have a few that we can harvest maybe in a few weeks from now. And they're just gonna stay in here because carrots are cold hardy plants. The herbs are still growing. We have some cilantro, actually a lot of cilantro, and then this is the rosemary, and then over here it's getting too dark, but I'll show you the dill, and we have a lot more dill plants all over the garden. And then one of the sage plants that we have. Right here we have the oregano. And then over here we have the thyme. More oregano in this area and more thyme as well. The strawberries are still going strong. This raised bed is almost full of strawberries. So the plan next year will be just to fill this with strawberries, and the cucumbers or whatever I decide to grow in the trellis right there will just be grown in a container in the path, so that I can have this whole 4x8 raised bed for the strawberries. We have some more strawberries in this area, plus over there. So we have four raised beds with strawberries. It has gotten warmer in here, so some of the plants that I thought were dead have started growing back, like the marigold. This one is broccoli and it has produced more leaves. However, there are still a lot of hornworms or cabbage worms, and they just come here to snack on the broccoli and the cauliflower that they have eventually killed. Another surprising thing is the chayote squash, because all of these vines are dead. However, the roots are still alive, and it has sent out a new plant, a brand new chayote plant, which I will try to save. Maybe I will cover this and we'll see how long this will last through the winter. The Shasta daisy is going strong and not affected by the frost and the freeze that we were having. Cosmos is an amazing plant. This is a cold hardy flower, an annual, but if you let it drop its seeds, it should grow back next year. And look at this, guys, very beautiful flowers. And now that it has gotten colder, this plant has produced more flowers than during the summer months. Look at that amazing flower. Of course, we still have our asparagus ferns, although some of them have started turning yellow, which is normal at this time of the year. And I'm so excited to see how this will grow next year. Because I have disconnected my drip irrigation already, I am using a watering can to water my fall plants. And this works well because my lettuce and other greens are growing really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening. See you next time.